How to add contact poster on your phone. If you're struggling to find out how to do it, this video is right for you. Firstly, what you have to do is you have to go and tap on your contacts. Now as you can see, there are many contacts. Now kindly tap on any contacts that you want to add poster to. Now tap on edit, which is on your top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the option called add photo. As you tap into add photo, there is another option called photos, which is right side the camera. Now choose any picture that you want to add. Once you choose the picture, it will be now set. Now to permanently set it, all you have to do is tap on done, which is on the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the option called continue. Again tap on continue. It is now set. In this way, you can easily add the contact poster on your contacts. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.